Hi everyone, me again in sunny and partly cloudy Smyrna, Georgia on a lovely evening ride. A little bit after 7 and I'm heading back from a visit to the covered bridge, and just thought I would get on and do what we're not supposed to do, and that's talk about the weather when we ride, but I can't resist it. Here in Georgia we are into the summer pattern, which consists of nights about 73 degrees Fahrenheit on average, and the days the upper 80s. Now we haven't gotten any superheated air yet. We did have a couple of days, I think they might have late in the afternoon got up to maybe 90, 91, but nothing over that so far. But we are still just in the first part of July, first half of July here. But we've gotten into a weather pattern. Little spotty storms, not thunderstorms, but just little spotty showers creep up pretty much all day, and they don't seem to show up too well on radar. And when you're out riding, I could come around this corner right here and it could just be dumping right around the corner, but by the time I get to the next light it's dry again, and that's pretty typical for this part of the country. But I looked at the forecast, and for the next 6 days it's going to be high of 87 to 88 and low of 73 Fahrenheit. And so it's going to be very consistent. Any riding Susan and I will get to do, unless we decide to pack up and head to the mountains, we'll have to be early. And she's been a real trooper. She's been getting up lately at the crack of dawn pretty much for her, and we go out and ride for a couple hours and try to get back to the house by about 10 o'clock. She likes to get back around 10s before then. That's by the time it starts really getting hot. Now it's not bad while you're moving. It's probably still only in the low 80s by then, but Atlanta is famous for these daggum stoplights. I've complained about it many times before, but it takes about every one of them at least a 3-minute light, and that, you don't think 3 minutes is much. You have the sun bearing down on you, no wind, you've been riding, you're hot already, and you have to sit there and just roast and bake while you're waiting on that dadburn stoplight. And there are a bunch of them. And we try to avoid them when we can. We try to come up on areas where we can make right turns, or know that there's just 1 or 2 lights. And I'm just a few lights away from the house, so this one goes red. I won't fuss too much, but I just wonder what's the weather like for you guys? Are you getting into a consistent pattern, or are you getting a lot of unsettled weather? Be interesting to find out, I think. All right, everybody. Well, I'm going to finish up this evening ride. Hope everybody's having a great day. Hope you're not getting rained on. And if you can, get out and ride. Shoot a video. I'd like to see it. Thanks, everybody. Take care. Good night.